So today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this FuzzyTrek small dog bed. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and check it out. So I'm going to be taking it out of the package. Once you order your dog bed, this is what it will look like. It comes compressed in this plastic wrapper. So let me go ahead and open this up. All right, so what you want to do is you want to go ahead and unfold it. And when you first get it, since it is compressed and it comes all packaged in a small container, you want to go ahead and lay this out for a few hours just so it could go ahead and start getting its shape. While this fully expands, I'm going to go ahead and go over a few features of this. As you can see, this is the bottom. It has these grips right here, so it's not sliding around, especially if you are placing it somewhere where like a tile surface, somewhere where it's not carpets, just so it's not sliding around. Another great feature about this, and I will go ahead and show you from a top view, is that you could actually use it laying down. So you could see this is what the bed looks like fully laying down. But what you want to do if you want to use it as a dog bed, it has these zippers right here. So you want to go ahead and zip them up to create those corners to make it more like a doggy bed. So I'm gonna go ahead and zip up those corners. All right, so I went ahead and zipped up all four corners. Now it has more of that doggy bed shape. It is nice and cushiony on the inside. Another great thing about this is that it is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about if your pet has an accident or if anything gets spilled on it. It is waterproof, and also it is machine washable, so you could actually toss this into the washing machine and wash this regularly. So I like how simple it is to transform it from a pet bed into a pet mat. All you have to do is unzip all four corners. You basically convert it into a 2-in-1 doggy bed or doggy mat. All right, so let's go ahead and have my dog Millie test this out. So if you've been on the lookout for an affordable, good quality pet bed, then definitely check this one out. It is available in 2 sizes and 2 different colors. I'll go ahead and link it down below. Also, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.